Hey guys, so I just want to let you know about the latest updates to YACSS. So the first thing is inside of the API, we now support OpenRouter or OpenRouter. So what you do is you click on API over to the left, click on this manage, and then you insert your API key here. And so the way that OpenRouter works is that you create an account in the OpenRouter website, and then you insert credits like $50 or something like that. And then OpenRouter takes care of all the API connection for us. So we don't have to implement API connections to all of these various models. It's all done through one place, and that's OpenRouter. So create an account there, insert some dollars, and then create an API key and insert it here in YACSS. So, and then you can select the default model that you want to use. I've selected Google Gemini Flashlight 2.0 preview free, and you can also make this to default. What that means is we now have two integrations. We have the OpenAI, and then we have the OpenRouter. And you can see that I can choose to make this default, but I have chosen to make the OpenRouter default because that's the API that we are going to use everywhere when we are creating AI content. So inside of the AI website builder in AI content, you can now select the model. And I think there are somewhere around 190 models to choose from, and some of them are free, and most of them will obviously be paid. So you will be using your credits from OpenRouter, but for example, Google Gemini Flashlight 2.0 preview seems to be free. That's what they're saying. And Gemini Pro 2.0 experimentals also seems to be free. So I think that's a great addition. It's actually a wonderful addition because I think that for me, ChatGPT, OpenAI, it's becoming more and more expensive. It's not as free as it used to be 2 years ago when we all started using AI. Now you can see it's an expense that you need to take into account. And also Stack Builder, when you go to here, go to content generation, you can also select the model. So that's it for that. And when it comes to the AI content generator, or same thing, I don't know how many of you are actually using this content generator. Let's see here, 3. So I input a keyword, and then I'm asking it to generate 3 blog titles, and I just take the best. Do it like this. And I will use search engine optimization. The reason that it's a good idea to use this Wikipedia keyword as a background, because then we're using the Wikipedia API to use the information in this Wikipedia page as background information when creating the article. So it gives better articles, in my opinion. So let's see. Actually, I didn't try this model, so I don't know how fast it is. Let's just see here. So let's take the historical facts definition, and let's take 3 questions, and let's make them random. So this is I'm just showing you how this works. Once again, probably most of you are using SimWriter or Agility Writer, or you might also be using ChatGPT, but we actually do have this inside of YACSS. So it's just a thing to keep in mind that it actually is good articles, because you can see historical facts about search engine optimization. I don't know if any of the other content tools are actually using this method that I am using, or that we are using, with this Wikipedia information, merged into the articles like this. So let's see here. What else do we have? Oh yeah, so we launched a couple of updates to the theme builder, or page builder. So the page builder is, let's just click preview here. So the page builder is this tool that we built into YACSS last year, where you can build these pages, make them look exactly like you want them to look. And what we did now was that we added support for internal linking. So what this means is that you can, of course, click on this button here, and then you can link to a schema writer, for example. schemawriter.ai. So now that's an external link, but you can also link internally. So for example, to the privacy policy page. So, and it's very fast to link internally. You just mark some text and select the, for example, if I want to link to the sitemap for whatever reason, I mark the text, do like this, and then it's an internal link to the sitemap. Of course, I should mention that this link does not work in preview. It only works when the cloud sites are uploaded to the cloud, because the final link will only be created at upload. So just a thing to keep in mind. So when I add a new page, Jesper new. So this is the page name and meta title, and this is the file name. So now I have this Jesper new, and I go to home, and I click here, and I link to Jesper new, and I mark this, and I click here to Jesper new, and now I link to this page. So yeah, it's I think this is a nice feature that because of this feature, you can actually now use the page builder to build out 100% customized websites. And if you don't know or have not seen how the AI widget works, you can click this button here, and yeah. So let's actually try to use this Gemini Flashlight 2.0 preview. Input keywords, SEO. Let's see what it says. Yeah, that's a little bit generic, right? Okay, so it seems to only it only wants to say what is search engine optimization. So let's just keep that. Article, 6 headers. Yeah, so let's just unsplash images, marketing. The reason that it's a good idea to use unsplash images, because they are actually images, they are high quality. Let's see if I forgot anything. No, good. And so for those of you that have not tried to use it like this, you can see that this is a very nice way to very fast and very efficiently create cloud pages, because it's actually creating all the content for you. It's finding the images, and it's creating also the layout. So you don't need to think, basically. So I think that's it for today's updates. Perhaps one last thing. Wikipedia entities, search engine optimization process. So in Wikipedia entities, we now support language. I believe that it's also a relatively new addition, and we didn't do that before. And we now simplified the Wikipedia entities, so it works similar, not exactly like it does in SchemaWriter, but similar. It's a bit faster because we're not using machine learning to sort the entities here. So we're just presenting the entities to you. So it's not sorted by relevance. You need to paste them over to ChatGPT to sort them or do whatever you want. So these are the related entities, and here are the related keywords to the input keywords search engine optimization. And we support the languages that are supported by Wikipedia, obviously, because we're using the Wikipedia API to actually find these keywords and these entities. And I think, yeah, I think that's it for now. So yeah, take care, guys.